What is going on, guys? It's your boy Mac, bringing you guys another vlog, a little day in the life of a day trader, Forex trader, whatever you want to call me. This is obviously the nice little setup that we got going on. You guys obviously see that I switched back to my old setup. Julia's got the setup that I was using before, just due to the fact that I fixed my cord and I like the bigger screen and all that good stuff. So it's Tuesday morning right now. I'm gonna see if I can get some nice trades for you guys, and I'll bring you along with my day. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So guys, we got the coffee, we got the charts. Looking at the POIs right here, these are the areas I'd like to see some shorts on Aussie. Then we got the group, the community there. Shout out to the fellas. And yeah, today's gonna be a great day. I'm gonna show you guys the beautiful view this morning. I was out there quickly before the New York opens. I was looking at just how grateful I am today. And it's the little things that make me happy, and something as simple as looking out on my balcony in the morning. This once was a dream, right? I dreamed of having a nice view, and some of you may think that there's better views out there, but guess what? This view to me is great, and I can't wait to share with you guys. We're gonna be moving here shortly this year back home to where our family is and our friends, and we're super excited for that. So I can't wait to share with you guys that place, because it's a nice little level up from this place, and yeah, just super excited and blessed. So just a reminder, sometimes it's the little things that bring happiness that you wouldn't understand before, right? Something as little as looking out your balcony and looking at the sunrise in the morning before you jump on the charts and do what you love to do. So guys, what I would love to see on this pair here is see the corrective price action here. There is a chance London high holds today, with today being Tuesday. So what I wouldn't mind to see is a move into here, move out, and then some sort of pattern like this to take out sell side liquidity here. And then we got all this liquidity down here as well, right? But that's what I'm anticipating. That's what I'm hoping for. Similar to GU. GU is in the extreme right now. I wouldn't be surprised if we potentially have a move like that. That would be very nice to see. GU does love extremes. And then looking at EU as well. EU, we just ran some buy side liquidity, which is great. You can see we have this nice buy side liquidity pool right over here that just got swept. So we've come up pretty balanced here. This is all balanced price action. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do get a move lower. That would be beautiful, because DXY just took out all this sell side liquidity. We are now in a high probable 4-hour order block that could cause a move to the upside. So that's kind of what I'm waiting for, guys. That is what I am waiting for. So if it happens, I'll bring you along with me. If it doesn't happen, I'll bring you along with me. But hopefully we can get a nice trade for you absolute beauties. If you're enjoying the vlog so far, make sure you drop a like and drop a comment about how silly I am. I don't know, anything. And I really appreciate it. All right, little update from what I said, guys. Was talking about how AU was going to potentially sell from this area, GU from the extreme, which also happened, EU with a sweep of that buy side liquidity to the left, which also happened. And I don't know if I covered UCAD, but also DXY wanted a sweep of that sell side liquidity here, like I talked about, right, into this order block to look for further upside. So we read the market absolutely beautiful there. The opportunities didn't give me an entry. So it is what it is. I was hoping for what I like to see usually is a sweep of the initial tap here and then a little lower time frame break of structure. But that unfortunately didn't happen. So it is what it is. Let's see if anything else can happen. It's only 9 a.m. so I'll keep you guys updated. All right, boys. So I set a limit on EU. We'll see if it happens. All the pairs left without me. Analysis is correct. Called it all, which has been the story of March. March price reading has been phenomenal. It's been slow because I'm not getting the entries. The entries are just leaving. It's a lot of like tap and go, and that's not how I trade. I trade with confirmation. So it's been a great month for reading price. Like I said, like every single day price is read perfectly, direction, everything. It's just the entries haven't been there. And today could be another example of that. This is the setup. Let me get that right. This is the setup that I'm looking at. Remember I said earlier we swept buy side liquidity. We had a ton of sell side liquidity down here. So hopefully EU comes up into that area, it'd be nice for a nice little sell there. If not, call it a day. There's nothing really else you can do if price doesn't come back for you. And it is what it is. So I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far, and I'll keep you guys updated. All right, guys, so I took this position on EU longs, targeting up here as a little hedge. I'm not sure if I am going to take the short. So we'll see how this goes, okay? News just came out. We got a ton of buy side liquidity here. This is a little liquidity play. I risked less on this position, obviously, due to the fact that it is against my high time frame bias, but the corrective price action coming down was just way too beautiful to ignore. So let's take a look and see what happens. All right, guys, it came super close to stopping me out, but we're still in as of now. So what I think we could potentially see is a run taking out all this buy side liquidity here. I might look for shorts here depending how we come up as a hedge, but we'll see. It all depends. If this area holds, we have all this buy side liquidity to take out, and I'm expecting a run higher. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen. I risk less on this position just due to the fact that it was a liquidity play, and we'll see if it plans out. All right, guys, so you can see that we almost stop lossed right here twice, but you can see I ended up taking take profit just above this high here. Yes, it could go higher, but I'm happy with it, in all honesty. I am still debating if I want to take these shorts or not. I'm not too sure because I'm happy with this trade. So yeah, I'm happy with it. It is what it is, and I'm glad that I was able to catch that for you guys. And let's just take a look at the other pairs to see how they went. What made me confident in this trade, guys, is we were just following bullish order flow up here. Sorry if you can see that. So we were just following, higher highs, higher lows in this region. I can see price coming up here. But as for Aussie, okay, I'm glad that we didn't take Aussie here because there was no confirmation entry out of here. And we can see that if I did just have a blind limit on here, I would have got stopped out. And it's 10:50 now. So I'm going to get off. I'm going to make some food, and I will catch you guys over there. All right, guys, it's okay to say you're jealous. It's okay. Little shawarma type deal from We Cook. I'm not sponsored by them anymore, guys, so don't worry. I'm not about to plug it, but I still get it all the time. So I'm going to down this. I'm going to chill for a little bit and digest, and then we're going to hit the gym for a strong leg and shoulder day. You guys know how it is. All right, guys, so it is about 1 o'clock. Digested my food, all that good stuff. And now we're going to head to the gym for a dirty shoulder day and a leg day. So I'll see you guys over there. Oh, love it every time. Yo guys, so it was insanely busy today. My gym is just an absolute zoo all the damn time now. So I couldn't film. I find it awkward when there's a ton of people in the background and stuff. And I've had times where I've went to film and people ask not to be in it. So it was just a tricky one to film, but guys, what a workout. And I was just thinking about this while I was working out, and I just wanted to share this kind of realization that I had, or reflection that I had, thinking about my journey and all that good stuff. So I just want to say something. If you guys want to do something and something inside you is telling you to pursue it, please just do it. Because if you listen to the people around you, you listen to the haters, the naysayers, and those people can be closest to you at times, you're going to miss out on such an unbelievable opportunity. Whether it works out or not, you're going to miss out on that growth. And I believe we feel certain urges for a reason, and that may be pursuing growing social media, or pursuing a business idea, or maybe taking your first step at the gym. There's always going to be people who think it's not possible. There's always going to be people that are going to try and put it down because it's too big of a goal or it's too big of a dream for them to even comprehend, right? And I believe I'm living proof of that. Guys. Like, I remember when I started my social media and my YouTube channel, I was so nervous about what people would think. And I remember having to text people to go look at my videos. I remember having to text people to check out my Instagram posts. Otherwise, there'd be no feedback on them. And that wasn't long ago. It was like 2 years ago. I had no followers on Instagram, literally zero, or less than 2 years ago. It was 2 years ago on YouTube, not even, like a year and a half, where I had literally 1 or 2 subscribers. Now I have 12K of you on YouTube. Now I have almost 90,000 people on Instagram. That's crazy. And I'm living proof that if I can do it, you can do it. You just have to stay true to it. You just have to stick to it.
And you can't give a crap about what anyone says, because people laughed at me when I said I wanted to become a trader one day. People laughed at me when, I said I wanted to grow my following and, be an influencer or try and spread a positive message. People laughed at it. And now those same people congratulate me, right? And you guys are going to go through the exact same thing. And that's the beauty thing about the journey, because haters end up becoming followers. They end up becoming your fans, and it's the coolest thing. So I just was thinking about this when I was working out, about the journey and everything, and just the fact that if I can do it, you can do it too. And I know a lot of you guys reach out. There's a lot of you on social media and stuff. Sorry, my hand's getting sore. There's a lot of you guys that DM me all the time wanting to pursue it and wanting to take that step and grow your social media and grow a following, and just not even to have a following, but to have a big enough platform that you can make a change. And this world needs that, right? And that's all I try to do. All I try to do on here is spread positivity and show you guys that just a regular person who has big goals and dreams can do it too. You don't have to be special. You don't have to be born into money. You don't have to be born into all these opportunities. You can just be a regular person with access to the internet and an extreme work ethic. And I truly believe anything can happen. So sorry for this little rant, guys. The idea came to me while I was walking on the treadmill in there, and I just wanted to share it with you all. So I'm going to get home and shower. I'm sweating. You guys can probably see on here. And I'll pick up the vlog when I get back. A lot of it is balanced, right? When we're looking at all this price action, this is all balanced PA, right? And now we've taken out this buy side liquidity pool. All right, guys, so what you guys just watched was a little insight into the daily case studies that I do for the RM trading community. Just going over price action, any trades that happened, trades that didn't happen, that should have happened, whether that be missing trades and all that kind of good stuff. And then we talk about our analysis for the day ahead. So those get uploaded every single day in the community. As you guys can see here, literally from last year, December 2021 until now, it's price action case studies pretty much every single day. So tons to do and tons to learn from. So that's a little insight into how I kind of finish off my trading day. It's about 4:30 now. So we traded in the morning, we did some admin work, we went to the gym, and then I do my case study and kind of wrap up the rest of the day. And then I just kind of relax the rest of the day. I try and not be too much of a slave to these charts. And I find this is the best. I find I have my best time as a human when I have balance and when I'm just not sitting here 24/7 soaking up information. I feel like I'm kind of past that on my journey now. And now it's just about, building RM trading, building my YouTube channel, and just growing my social media and spreading positivity across as many platforms that I can. And that's honestly about it. This is my day in the life. This is a nice, easy day in the life. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Not all of them are going to be riding around in Lamborghinis and skydiving and doing backflips off, buildings, but this is my day-to-day right now. So as you guys see, it's starting to get nice outside, which means we can do more, right? I haven't been doing day in the lives because there hasn't been anything to do. It's been very, very simple. But you guys wanted to see a simple day in the life. So I appreciate you all. If you made it to the end of the video, I appreciate you so much. And what do I say at the end of every single video, guys? Let's be 1% better every single day. I will see you beauties on Sunday.